Welcome to the Zox Food channel. Today, we present you a healthy salad that can be prepared in 15 minutes. First, we need to cut one cucumber into cubes or however you want, but it is best to cubes. Next, we will need one avocado, which we will also cut into cubes. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more healthy recipes. Also, if this is your first time on the channel, I inform you that all the recipes published since January of this year are healthy and can be prepared in just 15 or 30 minutes. You also have the nutritional values in the video description. Back to the recipe, we also need one onion, which we will cut into small cubes. Just a few more ingredients, and our salad will be ready. Now we have lemon juice, so we will cut half a lemon and squeeze it. Tell me what you want us to cook next. How did you like the video? Write in the comments, because your opinion is important to us. And then we need protein, so we'll squeeze 1 can of tuna from the excess oil, and that's it. And finally, we cut parsley for decoration. You can if you want, but it is not necessary. Combine all the ingredients, and our salad is ready to serve. Tell me where you're watching the video from, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you're missing out on a lot of healthy recipes. Put a little olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Have a nice day.